ever dream of a hot tub nestled into the wee hill to relax and enjoy the lake view all year long? Hopefully Kirby can make it a reality. You know, the weird thing is we bought this cottage and there's a hot tub. We haven't turned it on, but it's here. We want to make more of it, and we're just obsessed with the idea of actually having a bubbling tub in the forest.
We're gonna come in, we're gonna start to excavate this right away. Once we get a little closer, we can come out here and fine-tune just the exact positioning of it and how you want to be able to sit in it and overlook this beautiful view.
Yeah.
Nice.
I mean, I feel this is gorgeous.
I love this.
Everybody talks about this. Anyone who's been to visit is
Look at
so
that tree. Like,
drawn to that.
It's gotta be 100 years old.
Wow.
It's amazing.
You know, we don't have any services at the moment. We have no plumbing out here.
You have to run some hydro out for it, for sure.
Does it need to bubble?
Yeah, you'll have to get electricity out here for it. I think we're fairly safe back here as far as positioning goes. We're far enough away from the water. It should just set in real nicely. We'll pull some of these natural boulders, we'll place them out in front of it, so it'll just kind of nestle in here beautifully.
Oh, nice.
You won't even see it.
Get digging whenever you can. Phone your people, bring machinery, do something.
Okay,
Clickety
bring it
quick.
on.
Sally, Justin, go and get your rubber duck. Excavation magic. In clearing the space for the hot tub, I see that Mother Nature has revealed another perfect gift. And we're loving this bit in particular. This will be our shower cubicle.
I think having one like that in our garden is such an asset. Why wouldn't you commandeer something that's already created as a perfect little cubicle? We have to look at the way that we bring water from the house and electricity if we want to keep the water warm.
Well, I've already figured it out. We're gonna run some water lines down here. You're gonna have hot and cold water. You turn it on, done.
We'll go over that.
Excellent. Nature has revealed the perfect shower cubicle by the hot tub. And with hot and cold running water, this grotto will rival any luxurious five-star spa.
We have got one hulking great big beast. The thing that we have to deal with is called a hot tub, and it's got to get from over there into our newly created grotto. Fingers crossed that that next stage is going to be seamless.
Would you?
Look at all that. Colin, don't you stand behind that.
Oh, now don't let it fall down. Oh, listen to that noise.
That's like when Colin pulls down his kilt. It's the same kind of noise.
It's getting heavy.
Keep going.
Whoa!
Oh, there she blows.
Come on.
Oh, right. Have you got it?
Yep. That doesn't mean let go, though. Okay, so you want to lay it down now?
I guess all we've got to find out now is if this thing actually still works.
Yeah, well, we'll get the boys down here and get them to wire it in, and we'll see.
There's loads of noise, but no bubbles.
Hold on.
Fire it up, Dan.
Hey!
Boom!
It works!
Dan, this is amazing. Suddenly we have an outdoor hot tub.
That's amazing. Well done, Dan.
Just let's put this on because I've washed that side of it.
Okay.
But I want to wash the other.
Oh, it doesn't look so good on this side, Colin.
No,